everyone, I am Barron, your mentor for today. And today, I am going to teach you about how to convert a degree measure into radian and radian into degree. But first, let me introduce to you myself. I am Barron Philomel Cruz, and I am currently studying at the National Science High School as grade 11 student. So, are you ready to learn? Let's get started.
I made my own video routine. So, my video routine includes introduction on the first part. The next one is definition of terms, and then materials to be used or materials used, and then the discussion proper, of course, and lastly the wrap up part. After introduction, we will be going to define different terms. So this will cover up the definition of conversion, radian measure, and degree. Term that we will be going to define is conversion. So as for Wikipedia, in logic, reversing the two parts of a categorical or implicational statement. It is also defined as a strategic option. We will be going is radian. So as for Wikipedia, it is a standard unit of angular measure used in many areas of mathematics. It also describes the plane angle subtended by a circular arc as the length of the arc divided by the radius of the arc, degree. So as for Wikipedia, it is usually denoted by a degree symbol and is a measurement of plane angle defined by representing a full rotation as 360 degrees. So 360 degrees is like this. Now let me introduce to you the materials used in making this video successful. So first of all, marker. So here's a marker, as you can see. Next one is of course bond paper, since don't have any whiteboard. And lastly, the camera. Now we're going to start our discussion proper. Specifically, we're going to discuss converting degree into radian measure. Let's have example number 1. What if we have 125 degrees and we were tasked to convert it into radian measure? So always remember that when converting a degree into radian measure, we need to multiply it by pi over 180 degrees and simplify. So first, cancel like terms, so cancel the degrees and divide 125 and 180 by 5. So we can get an answer of 125 divided by 5 is 25 over 180 divided by 5 is 36. Then copy pi. So we can get the final answer of 25 pi over 36. Let's have example number 2. What if we were given an angle of 320 degrees and we were tasked to convert it into radian measure? So just like what we did a while ago, we just need to multiply it by pi over 180 degrees and cancel like terms and simplify. So negative 320 divided by 20 is equals to negative 16 over 180 divided by 20 is equals to 9 and copy pi to get the final answer. Discussing on how to convert degree into radian measure, now I'll teach you how to convert radian measure into degree. Let's have another example. This time, we're going to convert a radian measure into degree. So what if we have pi and we were tasked to convert it into degree? So we just need to multiply it by 180 degrees over pi and simplify. So cancel like terms first and multiply 12 by 180 degrees. So we can get an answer of 2160 degrees. Number 2. What if we have 3 pi over 4 and we were tasked to convert it into degree? So we just need to multiply it by 180 degrees over pi and simplify. So cancel like terms and multiply. 3 times 180 degrees is equals to 540 degrees over copy 4, so pi. 540 degrees divided by 4 is equals 135 degrees. Always remember that when you're converting a degree into radian measure, you just need to multiply a degree by pi for 180 degrees. And when converting a radian measure into degree, you just need to multiply a radian measure by 180 degrees over pi to get the final answer. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Till next time, happy learning!